You are going to love 2016 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with the fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel ABS. Come see the car for yourself.